The Scumby pollen applicator is an economical and easy way to accurately dispense pollen throughout an orchard, regardless of row spacing. Furman Pollen offers two sizes of Scumby pollen applicators. Our 1 horsepower model is designed for trees with canopies of 8 to 20 feet. Our 5 horsepower model is designed for crops and fields where the canopy exceeds 20 feet. The Scumby pollen applicator is easily mounted on an ATV or side-by-side using U-bolts, ratchet straps, or even heavy-duty zip ties. The Scumby requires a 12-volt power system. There are several ways to connect the Scumby to the ATV, plugging directly into the ATV outlet port or utilizing alligator clips or eyelet connectors to connect directly to the battery. The control panel for operating the Scumby is easy to access and use. The auger and on-off switch and speed controls are located here. Located under the hopper lid is a calibration chart used to determine ground speed and auger settings for accurate pollen delivery. Remember, only a 12-volt system will deliver the pollen accurately. Mechanical pollen applications offer some advantages over pollen applications at the hive entrance. Where bees may fly to neighboring blocks and other food sources, mechanical pollen applications ensure that all the pollen is applied to the targeted area. 2 to 3 applications of Furman pollen are recommended to target receptive flowers as the orchard progresses through bloom. For more information about our Scumby pollen applicator or any of our pollen application systems, don't hesitate to contact us.